Hello guys, good morning. In this beautiful morning Friday, we will invite you for
Doing Clean Friday activities.
Let's go!
Everyone, we are from MKS, and today, in this beautiful morning Friday, we're gonna invite you all to join us for
Doing Clean Friday activities.
Look around, guys. There's so many students that helping each other to clean the classroom and school environment. And also, during the activity, all students usually wear their batik uniform too. But you know, all students not only helping each other, they will do some communication about something what they like this conversation. One of our friends from 8A. Okay, so what are you doing this day? I think the garden in front of the KS and library. So we're kind of the leaves. Okay, that's all.
Yes.
What do you think about today?
I feel so happy and maybe a little tired because I have to
Okay, thank you, Amar.
Look around guys, there is so many students and teachers that helping each other to clean the environment.
And also, usually the students were wearing a batik.
But not only they were helping each other, they were also communicating about things that they like this conversation right here. But
We're going to ask some teacher around here. Excuse me, sir.
Oh yeah.
Can I ask something?
Yes, please.
What are you doing right now?
Yeah. As monthly, we have an activity. There is green and clean in our surrounding, in our field. Yeah. The activities is between the student and also all of the staff and all of the teachers.
Oh, that was so cool. But what you guys do? Like cleaning or just what?
Yeah, there are some activities like cleaning the classes and then the field, like we cut the grass and make the plants looks beautiful.
Wow. Now that's all for today. Thank you, Mr.